legs because they can't move all day long.
Yeah. It's sad.
They don't have water either. Yeah. Hai mươi cầu. Bay lại phải. Cái ba rồi.
Aww.
Ăn năm phê. Bạn khác có. Video of this guy on there. He's gonna ride him, I think.
You think so?
Oh, he unleashed him.
He unleashed him. Oh wow. That's the tool they use. The pickaxe, see? Oh. Oh, he's eating. He's like, why not?
Come.
He's so cute. Oh, these guys are gonna ride him?
Yeah, I guess so. This video is gonna be 2 gigabytes and it's gonna be hard to upload.
Right. We can always crop it, you know?
Yeah, he can.
Oh, he's such a good
He knows
boy.
exactly what to do. Can we get closer? You doing a video here?
Yeah.
A Chinese guy, right?
Uh-huh.
I think we'll find him. The video?
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's really cute.
He's really cute. He's good. He listens.
Yeah, he's really docile.
Yeah.
He knows exactly what. Oh, look at how heavy this thing is.
Oh, wow.
You're doing a video, right?
Yeah. Poor elephant.
Oh, they do put this on his finger.
Oh, okay.
Oh, poor guy.
Oh, wow.